Just out for a Monday evening ride on the Tenere. Let's pop down a little lane here. Just had an ECU remap on the bike. DIMSport special one for the Tenere 700. Fantastic piece of kit. It's richened the bike up a bit. It was running a bit lean, I could feel it, which meant you got some twitchiness at lower revs, but now it's super smooth. It's getting fueled properly. Had it on the dyno earlier just to double check it and see what I was doing, and it's spot on. It's sat just in the right range around fueling in terms of parts per something, fuel to air ratio basically, and then you could see the power, the torque and the power curves looking spot on, nice and linear now, not dropping off or anything like that, just because it's lean, trying to go into eco mode. None of that. Sorted now, and I can feel it. I can definitely feel the difference. So either get your ECU remapped by a professional, or DIMSport does a specific Tenere mapping. I've heard others have had not such good reports of it on other bikes like Husqvarna's, the Nordens and things like that, but on the Tenere it's spot on and validated via dyno. So the old right wrist this evening is going to test that and just validate the dyno, make sure it's spot on.